Today we're gonna make bacon maple ice cream. For this simple recipe we just need 4 ingredients. Whipping cream with 35% fat content, condensed milk, smoked bacon and some maple flavor. We're cutting the bacon in strips. So now we're gonna render the bacon. So our bacon is nicely rendered. Now we drain our bacon, put it on some kitchen towel to dry, to crisp it, firm it up, and let it cool down for our ice cream. Now we weigh out 2 cups, 500 grams of cream. Now we're gonna whisk the cream to a big beat. Nice stiff peaks. So adding the condensed milk. One tablespoon of maple flavor. Give that another mix. Give this a quick taste. Now needs another tablespoon of maple flavor. Another mix. Another taste. Another tablespoon. Or 2. So that means the whole bottle, which is 4 tablespoons. Another mix. Now we're gonna fold in our bacon. Now we're gonna fill the mold. good shake. clean up the edge. Cover with cling film. Press it all the way onto the ice cream. So, time is come to serve up the ice cream. So, and now we have a little bit of tasting. This is heaven on earth. It's unbelievable. It's sweet, a little bit of the saltiness from the smoked bacon. It's like salted caramel kind of, but much better. I'm loving it.